Hey folks, welcome back to Technique. I'm Lane Flynn, your packaging expert. We're going to continue our discussion on serialization today. In previous videos, we looked at the definition of the term, we looked at how one serializes an individual product or component in a package, and how each component of a package is verified and how that verification ties into the serialization process. Today we're going to talk a little bit about serialization systems themselves. Now, Technique is not a serialization vendor. We do not provide the software that tracks products throughout the supply chain. We work with them as partners to provide the data to those systems that they use to perform the tracking and serialization itself. We've worked with most major serialization vendors like Antares, Jexon, Systech, and a number of others, and most of our customers who have serialization vendors and serialization systems in place, we can pretty seamlessly integrate with those existing systems. But we're also glad to work with companies that are just starting the process and getting started with their vendor, and there's a couple of different ways in which we can do that integration process. So from the equipment perspective, what we need to be able to do is scan each component so that we can track where it is in the process and that it matches with the other components that it's packaged with. As in this example, you've got a product, a leaflet, and a carton, each with barcode identifiers, and we can either use barcode or RFID or OCR text readers that are provided by the serialization vendors. For example, Antares typically provides their own scanners, and we simply integrate those scanners with our equipment at specific points, such as the product in feed or the leaflet in feed or the point at which we erect the cartons, and we take the, in this example, Antares scanner, build it onto the machine at the appropriate point, and then our machine just sends the scanner a signal when it's ready to have it scan that particular component, and the scanner communicates directly with the serialization software to provide the needed information to identify where that product is in the process and that it matches correctly with the other components it's being packaged with. If there is any kind of issue, that system then sends a signal back to our machine saying, hey, there's a mismatch. You need to alert the operator, reject this product, and stop it from getting out into the supply chain. In other cases, the serialization vendor is software only, and we provide the scanner, like the barcode or RFID scanner. Then we have to do a little bit more integration work to make sure that we read the data and provide it in a format that the serialization system can accept. But again, it's something we've done many, many times, got a lot of experience with doing it. So we're perfectly content to go either way, whether you want your serialization vendor to also supply the hardware to check all these components, or whether you want us to provide the hardware and then integrate it with your serialization software package. We appreciate you joining us today. We've still got more to talk about in the field of serialization, so please like and subscribe on YouTube or follow us on your preferred social media platform to make sure you see our latest videos as soon as they're released. I appreciate you joining us today. I'm Lane Flynn for Technique, and I'll see you next time.